Daytime Live, everybody. It's a credit Monday. I don't know how you feel about Monday, Nisha. You know I don't like
I love Mondays. Man Crush Mondays.
That's how she. If you don't watch the show all the time, you know that's how Nisha talks about.
You know me. Life is short, yes?
We need to have some food Mondays or something. That is what I'm really interested about. Welcome, everybody. It's so beautiful to see you all. Yes, and of course, we have our guest host for today.
Just clap now, guys. Just clap. Yay!
The big man himself, Craigie T.
Craigie T.
We live your life to the fullest.
Hey.
No apology. Me just enjoy myself and a party no cater for nobody. Me live your life to the fullest. No apology. Them think we are gonna make bad mind stop we. We unstoppable, you can't flop we. Hey, new Benzema jive. New house on the hill. Me make 4 magazines for more than 4 years. Them I watch me career, but not me arrears. Me not here to
Because clearly Craigie T from
We could if we needed.
Oh, that's awesome.
Give thanks.
Welcome. Do you guys understand now why I say it's Man Crush Mondays? I'm very excited.
Sure.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Hold on, make a transform.
because me just look free because with the backstage attack and him saying I'm gonna transform
Hold
from.
on.
Hold on. Now we get.
We get intellectual.
But I'm still here. I'm still here. How are you?
I'm good.
You well?
Good. Careful.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
tell you,
sorry.
you know.
Yeah. Focus.
This young lady moved from herself.
my time. We're
I
not
don't remember it was
responsible.
last week.
Darlings.
Now this week is Craigie T. But
Life is short. Have fun, ladies and gents. Yes, have fun. I'm just saying.
But anyway, you know, we always start with what's buzzing, what's trending, and we want, you know, even though it's a sad note to begin with, but we want to talk a little bit about the bombing in Manchester, UK. I don't know if you were following up with that. At the Ariana Grande concert, some sick mental person, suicide bomber, you know, 22 persons have been confirmed dead and 49 injured.
Yeah.
And this is, I mean, in Jamaica, we're lucky to not have experiences like these. You know, you can go and party, you can go sting, you can go wherever. I enough here think about nobody will come bomb up anywhere, but it kind of hit home because suppose somebody who was a part of it, you know, have some Jamaican connection or something.
Yeah.
You know, that would have been horrible. But what do you think about it? You think it's controllable? You think?
Well, I think what is upsetting for me is because the gentleman, he was actually known to Secret Service before. So my point is that we've heard a lot about the crackdown on terrorism and crackdown on terrorists and all that stuff. However, you know somebody, they knew that he went to
Some mix up.
Wherever,
Yeah.
and his father and his brother, they're being held right now as well, just because they know that he didn't act alone. So they're trying to figure out what's going on.
Exactly?
So my thing is, if you know that this gentleman has ties to ISIS, he's been radicalized, he dropped out of university to pursue certain things, why is he just wandering around?
But these are the things you realize after the event. Though.
That's the
I mean,
But that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying is that they knew it before. So what's the point?
I mean, just
what
like
purpose?
just like when you said people in Jamaica could easily have ties to people that were at the concert.
Yes.
It's easy to trace back ties to almost anyone. From
Anywhere.
anyone.
Yeah, it's true.
You know what I mean? So I
It's
mean,
true.
that kind of paranoia, to promote that kind of paranoia is almost, you know, because
What do you mean? What kind of paranoia?
where anybody you know could be related to somebody that knows somebody that might be in ISIS.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you kind of profile everyone and
Yeah.
you get strict on everyone and have these restrictions
Yeah.
and people kind of get to enjoy, to
But
really relax and
What
enjoy
I'm saying though
themselves.
is that they knew that he had ties to ISIS. They
I
knew
mean,
that
I'm not sure exactly, but the good thing about it, which is kind of annoying as well, because, you know, world leaders continue to reach out. I share my empathies, whatever. The Queen went out, you know, she reached out to the victims. I think she visited one of the hospitals and,
went
you
to
know,
the
was there
hospital to
doing
victims
all of that.
and
But
yeah.
it's a cycle. Every time somewhere bomb up, world leaders tweet out, okay, you know, my heart goes out to the family, and it becomes repetitive.
Yeah.
But I just feel it is,
Yeah.
you know, it kind of really hit home because of the kids that were involved.
and you know the
Two-
youngest girl, she was 8.
Yeah, man,
You know, there was an 8-year-old.
You
I'm
know?
not saying the older persons as well because it's tragic all around. But you know, you have a little 8-year-old girl that Ariana Grande apparently was her idol. You know, she looked, you know, her mentor.
Yes,
She's so
yes.
excited, been saving up to go, and then you go and you lose your life like that. And
Yeah.
that 14-year-old, 15-year-old.
And then I had parents who were going there
Yeah.
to pick up their children, and they died.
because
But-
that's where he went. You know, he went. That's where it happened at the end of the whole concert, and he went to I'm picking up my,
Yeah.
and
yeah.
that's, you know, but anyway.
Yeah, I
read
don't
the
want to talk
story.
about much. Yeah, too heavy. Too
Yeah,
heavy.
yeah, yeah,
On
yes.
a lighter note, let's
What
bring
else?
it home now. And it's about fashion season in Jamaica now. Style Week and Caribbean Fashion
Yes,
Week
that
and all the
ended
other
yesterday.
weeks.
Yes.
You know, so that's just about to start. You know, a lot of the fashionistas, you know, who feel to them are models and who feel like to them have the best designer skills. This is really
There was a time where everybody just get Chris all of a sudden.
So, you know, last year, people were saying Caribbean Fashion Week was kind of not a hit because of so many empty seats up by Villarana and all of that. But
Yes.
Kings look like him a come with a
Yes.
vengeance now because Ashanti will be touching the local
But
scene
when is the last
to
time?
do
What
that.
is the last hit that Ashanti's had though? Who is Ashanti though? She's still there about. I thought she retired. No. So anywho,
Craig, you probably can advise us on that one, Craig, because you're not.
It's been a long time since Ashanti has been on the forefront, actually. But I mean, she is a world recognized artist. So.
Ashanti.
Yeah.
man.
I'm just giving.
I
Trouble.
just hope it's not another hit. I mean, miss.
Because last year it was a miss. Remember?
But one of the big hits for us though, Spice. If you watch
Yes.
Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, that's a big reality TV show.
Wicked.
Spice is apparently going to be on it.
Yes.
She got a feature because they came to
They
Jamaica.
came to Jamaica and she
a
was
piece of the
taking them
filming.
around Jamaica
Yes,
and whatever.
yes.
So we're gonna see. I think it's airing tonight.
Hold on.
Ooh.
So we have a giveaway.
Something's wrong with the
Yes.
bell. What is?
By the way,
what-
yes. Once you hear
what's-
that bell, it's time to give away something. Not to us,
Wicked.
which we kind of not like.
Nothing for you, Brigitte. I'm sorry. Nothing for you.
We have a giveaway. What do we have to give away, Nisha? Ian?
We have lots of things to give away today. We have some vouchers from Courts. We have a $10,000
8:30.
Adam and Eve spa voucher, which I tried to get. And guys, we also have some bottles of red wine to give away.
So you're not keeping it?
I am entering that company. Where's my number? Because I am well in that.
Somebody
You
will
know
have a
already.
bottle of wine to give away right now.
We're giving away the wine? Oh,
Yes.
it's white wine. It's okay. It's okay.
That's white
it's
wine.
okay.
No, you're
so,
you're special.
all right,
you're
it's my
thing
special.
that-
I'm going to choose the number.
Yes.
So all of our guests, right? You have a number. No, I'm fine.
like we
I'm
played
fine.
it off a while ago.
I'm up there. See, that's the theater legs, right? Save myself. So we're going to pick a number. Everybody has, beneath your chair, you have a number. Don't look yet. Don't look.
Unless you just give it away.
So the first number to win the bottle of wine is number 22. Hey!
That's you?
Bottle of wine.
Come down and claim a
Quickly,
bottle of wine,
run,
Virgin,
come,
before
come. See, number 22, we're going to take this number now, put it to the side.
Remember, it's Nisha.
Yes.
That's a horror fan
Don't turn and say thank you so much. Yes, it's a bottle of wine. Where do you live? When you're opening it later? The wine?
Wow.
Yeah. With,
You realize how
Wow. Any in general?
The wine.
I'm so sorry that you didn't get it. But yes, all of that's trending, all that's buzzing. We have so much more to discuss in the show. We're going to talk about, there's an interesting daytime chat topic. But before we even go there, remember to watch us live on onespotmedia.com or you can catch snippets of the program on televisionjamaica.com and tune in with the conversation. Hashtag TVJ Detail and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at
TVJ
TVJ
_. Thank you. I can say something. TVJ _ daytime live with a finger. You know, and Craig, you see?
Yes, ma'am.
You have-
Come back to cricket, you
I'm
take
so-
No, leave her alone,
sorry.
Bridget. What up? You know, Mundo.
Noticing, whatever. We're going to break. So Daytime Live will be right back.